Welcome to Allspice Unpacked. From ancient berry to modern medicine, let's explore this powerful spice. Allspice is not a blend, but the dried, unripe berry of the evergreen Pimenta dioica tree. Native to the Greater Antilles and Central America, it remains a cornerstone of Caribbean cuisine. Its English name describes its complex aroma, which mimics a blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Allspice is rich in antioxidants, like eugenol and quercetin, which may help reduce inflammation and pain. Those seeking antioxidants or natural digestive aids may find it beneficial, as used in traditional medicine. While safe in food, allspice oil can be toxic. The compound eugenol can also slow clotting. Individuals with bleeding disorders or taking anticoagulants should consult a doctor before using it medicinally. While there is no official serving size, allspice is best enjoyed in culinary amounts of less than a teaspoon.
Perfect for marinades, stews, and holiday baking, its flavor enhances both sweet and savory dishes.
Like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. All references are listed in the video description.